welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different, which is a glam Valentine's inspired look. However, there's going to be a part 2 to this video, which is going to be a lot more FX and a lot more bloody, so stay tuned if that's what you're into. But let's get started with the pretty stuff. I'm starting out with my basic foundation on, as well as this super frizzy pink wig. It needs some serious help, but please don't mind that. First step, brows. I start off by combing mine through with the spoolie end of my brush, and then go ahead and draw the outline and basic shape for my brow by drawing an arch line on the bottom, an arch line on the top, connecting those two at the very outside end, and then filling those in with small bits of product and brushing that through to make sure you don't have too much product in those brows. Then I also like to draw a few short lines at the front of the brow to simulate little short hairs. Once I'm happy with my brows, I just like to clean them up with a little bit of concealer and a small brush. Next up, I'm going to apply some eyeshadow primer from my eyelid all the way up to my eyebrow to make my colors appear more vibrant as well as stick and stay longer. Today, I'll be using my brand new Zodiac palette from BH Cosmetics. It is so gorgeous and I love all the colors. However, feel free to use whatever palette you already have. I'm going to start out using this kind of burnt orange Sagittarius color and apply that right into the crease of my eye. Once I have on enough color, I'm going to take a clean blending brush and blend out the top of that color to create a smooth transition. Next, I'm going to take this Scorpio kind of reddy brown color and apply that using a smaller crease brush right on top of that first color, but staying tucked into my eyelid a little bit more. Then in the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to make kind of an angled V shape that connects down to my lashes. Next, I'm going to grab that blending brush again and blend away until I'm satisfied with how smooth my shadow looks. With a small flat brush, I'm going to take that darker color that we were just using and start at the V shape we made at the outer corner of our eye and work my way halfway across my eye. Then I'm going to meet that color in the middle of my eye with the first lighter color we used and bring that all the way to the inner corner. Now for my favorite part, which is the glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelid with some glitter primer to help my glitter, because I'm using loose glitter, adhere and stick and stay on my eyelid, because as we all know, if you use loose glitter on anything without an adhesive, it's going to end up literally everywhere. So you want to apply a glitter primer to your eyelid, or if you don't have glitter primer, you want to apply chapstick or Vaseline to your eyelid to help your glitter have somewhere to stick and stay, although glitter primer will last the longest. However, if you are using something like a pressed glitter palette, you definitely won't need a primer because it already has the adhesive mixed in with it. So I'm just going to apply that on top of that primer using a flat packing brush and just pack that right in on top. Now I decided that my crease needed a little bit more color, so I went back and added some of that darker second color we used and then worked on blending that out. Now next, I picked up this Gemini shimmery color from my palette and used it to highlight under my brow. However, I decided that I didn't really like the kind of gray blue tones in it, so we're going to come back and cover it up in a minute. Next, I'm using this Spotlight Highlight BH Cosmetics palette and using this Glow color, which is a kind of yellowy highlight color. And I'm going to cover up that Gemini color we put under my brow and then also pack some in the inner corner of my eye. Next up, eyeliner. So I like to start with my eyeliner in the middle of my eye and then draw a thin line all the way out to the outer corner of my eye. Then connecting from my bottom waterline, I draw a line that continues the curve of my eye in an upward angle and then connect that back down to the line I drew across my upper lid. Then I like to go in and make sure that wing is sharp by using very small, thin strokes. Then I am lining a little bit towards my bottom waterline and just fixing up my eyeliner in general to make sure there's no patchiness. Next up, mascara. I'm going to apply a good coat to my upper and my lower lashes. Next up, false eyelashes. I like to apply my glue to my lash and then wait a few seconds for it to get tacky, then place it onto my eye as close to my natural lashes as possible. Going back to that yellowish glow highlighter, I'm going to pack a little bit into the inner corner of my eye just to brighten things up, as well as clean up under my wing with a thin line of highlighter. Next, I'm going to take this nudie pink blush and apply that right onto my cheeks. Since this is a Valentine's inspired look, I decided to go for a red lip. And this is the lip I'm using. It's from the Vivid Matte Lip Collection. So I love this collection because it was only $15 for all of those colors you just saw. A great gift and has lots of colors to experiment with. Now I'm just going to come in with a little bit of powder and brush away any excess glitter that has fallen onto my cheeks, as well as take that same glow highlighter and highlight my cheeks, down my nose, and my cupid's bow. And that's how simple, quick, and easy this Valentine's look is. Thanks for watching! If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like watching these kinds of makeup tutorials from me, be sure to let me know in the comments and I will intermingle some more glam and pretty makeup looks in with my typical FX stuff in the near future. And for all of my FX makeup lover friends, stay tuned because tomorrow I'm going to have posted a part 2 to this video and it will be bloody. So keep on the lookout. I'll have that posted and up tomorrow. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching again. You all are awesome and amazing and I love you, and I will see you next time.